anatomy review of the day. Today, we will look at the tarsal bones. The tarsal bones are the most proximal bones in the foot, and there are 7 of them. The talus, the calcaneus, the navicular, the cuboid, and the 3 cuneiforms which also have names. This is the medial cuneiform, the intermediate cuneiform, and the lateral cuneiform. Our mnemonic to remember the 7 tarsal bones is tiger cub needs milk. We spell the milk with a C. Tiger cub needs milk. Talus, calcaneus, navicular, this is cuboid, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and the lateral cuneiform. Anatomy review of the day.